Color Refresh is our nourishing pigmented hair masks that is super easy for the clients to use at home. In this film, you will join our model Cecilia as she refreshes her hair with bright copper. When selling a color refresh to your client, make sure you have a thorough consultation to make sure that your client brings home the perfect shade or mix of color refresh. Also, share all of your knowledge and information to make sure that the process that the client is going to do at home is the right one. Color Refresh has a pH of 5 to 5.5, the same as the hair's natural pH. So don't forget to inform your clients that Color Refresh should be added in between shampoo and conditioner. They can also use sections when they're applying Color Refresh at home for a more controlled application process. The processing time is 3 to 10 minutes, but of course, it can be adjusted for your desired result. And don't forget to tell your clients to use conditioner as the last product. Conditioner will close the cuticles of the hair. The model today has bleached hair since before and are now wishing for a more intense copper tone. She doesn't need to use Color Refresh in every shower routine, but it's perfect to have at home to refresh her color when needed. Color Refresh will also add a lot of shine and moisture to her hair, thanks to the ingredients. For example, we have wheat protein that gives a long-lasting conditioning effect, argan oil that gives your hair strength and shine. We also work with the ingredient panthenol, which will add body to the hair and increase the volume. After she has washed her hair with selected shampoo, she will towel dry her hair before adding the Color Refresh. She can add it in front of the mirror or straight in the shower. Just remember to inform to use gloves to avoid staining on hands. The processing time for this model will be 10 minutes. Depending on the quality of the hair and the processing time, this result will last 4 to 10 washes. I am so happy with Cecilia's result. A super easy way to refresh her hair at home, or just maintain her color, or maybe try something completely new.